Look how cool this key is. Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon Shop. Behind me I have a 2017 Porsche Cayman with a pretty sharp little dent right here in the driver's door. We're going to be fixing this today using Paintless Dent Repair while the customer waits. Well, this is a little sharp door ding right in the driver's door. We're going to be repairing this by going down through in between the door and the door skin and using our tools to remove this dent from the back side. Because of how sharp this damage is, I am going to be using my heat gun to make this metal a little more pliable, and it just helps us move it since it is so sharp in the center. This dent came out fantastic using Paintless Dent Repair. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245.